Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to invite your teammates, your team members to your Clickup instance. So currently I am on just one of my lists. I'm going to come over here and I am going to send an email to one of our team members, which is actually just my email, my work email. You could have this be either a member so they have access to it, or an admin so they can do different things. A member is just someone who can see the public spaces, documents, and dashboards. And then the admin is someone who can just edit everything. It's not letting me select admin, probably just because I don't have those licenses available. I'm going to send the invite, but there we go. If we wanted to add more people, we could enter in another email and we could send in a bunch at once. But that's just kind of a simple, quick, I could even go check my email to see if that's there yet. It hasn't shown up yet, but it probably will within the next 2 or 3 minutes, just depending on how their servers are working. But yeah, that's just kind of a simple, quick how to invite people. Now make sure that all of your tasks and your spaces are either public or private, depending on who you want to be there and who you want to be contributing to those things. But I hope that you found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to give it a like, subscribe. You can check out more Clickup tutorials in the description down below.